Are you ready to see what's new and exciting in ChatGPT 4? If you're a fan of the previous version, then you won't want to miss out on this video. We're going to break down 10 major improvements in ChatGPT 4 compared to its predecessor, and show you how it's advancing the field of AI language processing. So grab a drink and let's get started. Number 1. Increased training data. ChatGPT 4 has been trained on a much larger dataset than its predecessor, making it more accurate and natural in its responses. With access to more diverse and extensive data sources, ChatGPT 4 is able to provide better understanding of language and generate more complex and natural responses. Number 2. Improved contextual understanding. Thanks to its ability to analyze and interpret complex sentences with multiple clauses and phrases, ChatGPT 4 has a deeper contextual understanding than ChatGPT 3. It can now understand the meaning behind your questions and provide more accurate and relevant responses that are tailored to your needs. Number 3. Better dialogue flow. ChatGPT 4 can maintain a much more natural dialogue flow, making it feel like you're chatting with a real human being. Its ability to understand the flow of a conversation and respond appropriately will make your interactions feel more natural and engaging. Number 4. Increased consistency. ChatGPT 4 has been designed to provide more consistent responses to similar questions or topics, making it a more reliable tool for language processing. It's great for tasks such as language translation and data analysis, where consistency is key. Number 5. Improved multilingual support. ChatGPT 4 is more versatile than ChatGPT 3. Thanks to its ability to understand and generate responses in multiple languages, this makes it a great tool for global communication and businesses that operate in multiple countries. Number 6. Better knowledge representation. ChatGPT 4 has a stronger emphasis on knowledge representation, allowing it to understand and recall complex information more effectively. This makes it a valuable tool for industries such as healthcare, finance, and education, where accuracy and precision are essential. Number 7. Improved model optimization. Thanks to significant improvements in model optimization, ChatGPT 4 is able to generate responses more quickly and accurately than its predecessor. This means that you can get the information you need faster and with more accuracy than ever before. Number 8. Enhanced customization options. ChatGPT 4 comes with enhanced customization options, allowing you to fine-tune the model to meet your specific needs. This means you can tailor your language processing tasks to your industry and unique requirements, making it a more flexible tool for businesses and individuals. Number 9. Improved output quality. With all these improvements, ChatGPT 4 is capable of generating higher quality output than ChatGPT 3. Its ability to provide natural and accurate responses means that you can rely on it for a wide range of language processing tasks, from simple questions to complex data analysis. Number 10. Better compatibility with third-party tools. Finally, ChatGPT 4 is designed to be more compatible with third-party tools, making it easier to integrate into your existing workflows and systems. This means you can use it with your favorite language processing tools and platforms without any hassle. And that's a wrap on our deep dive into ChatGPT 4. We hope you enjoyed learning about the exciting new features and improvements in this AI language model. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below and we'll do our best to get back to you. We'd also love to hear any suggestions you have for future videos, so don't hesitate to share your ideas with us. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the like button and share it with your friends and colleagues. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel and turning on the notification bell so we can continue making better videos for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.